Look. So this is our second day. Ito pala yung merch namin for today. Binigyan nila kami ng cap. Ooh! Fancy. Achieve more. Tapos, binigyan din nila kami ng... Ito yung pinaka masaya. Tawang-tawa ako dito, bish. I believe this is worth 3,500 worth of... Ano bang tawag dito? Wizard money. Tapos, binigyan din nila kami ng Biore, this one, sunblock. Kasi nga, may initan kami sa Enchanted Kingdom. Ooh. This is so nice. Ayun lang.